Welcome to the Transit Centre at Pye Motors here in Morecambe. This is the Ford Transit Connect Trend L1 in frozen white. This van comes with the LED load compartment light option, which makes a big difference when it's dark. So it's got the Ford Easy Clean floor and the load through bulkhead with the hatch just there. This great little van comes with front and rear parking sensors, which are displayed on the screen there. So it's got Bluetooth hands-free. And the dual passenger seats from where you can access the load through bulkhead. So as you can see, the passenger seat folds down, and that's the hatch for the bulkhead that clips up onto a magnet. So any kind of longer objects can be fit through into the front compartment here. In the middle, the middle seat folds up, gives you access to more storage, as well as a USB charger down there. Keeps everything out of the way. It also folds down to give you two extra cup holders and a strap for strapping anything in, tablets, laptops, documents, pieces of paper, that kind of thing. A really handy feature of this van. So this is the Transit Connect Trend L1. It's the 120 horsepower version of the vehicle, short wheelbase. If you need any more information on the vehicle, give us a call on 01524 598 598. We're happy to arrange quotes and a test drive for you.